So over here, you can see that I have a few pages, like I got sample, events, and contact right here. And in the menu, I can see these particular pages. And these are separate pages as of now. But let's say I want the contact pages under events pages, let's say for example. In that case, I can go ahead onto this particular contact page itself and change around its page order. So to do that over here, as I click on the page and go to the properties section right here, you can see that this is what I have right here. So let's just go around and you can see that this is what I have. So now on the page, you can actually see that this is the page right here. So you can see that there's the slug and everything else right here. But on the bottom, you can see parent is set to none. But what I can actually do is I can go ahead and choose the event page right here as the parent, as you can see right here, and then click on save. So once I go ahead and do that, what actually happens is that if I were to go ahead back right here and refresh, let's say for example, now what happens is that this contact page has been set as the child for this particular page right here. So now if I were to go ahead and refresh this, then you can see that now you don't see the contact page anymore. That is because contact is the child of the event page. And if I were to hover around in the menu, you can see the contact page beneath the event page, and that is how you access it. And that is how you can set parent and child pages inside of wordpress.com. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.